Now, I used to prepare paper bags instead of paper bags. And it is the start. And this will be the start of saving our Mother Earth. Because if we continue using paper bags, we will be consumed. What do you say? Continually. And it's so dangerous. Like for the marine animals, some marine animals, they think they confuse with jellyfish and plastic. Sometimes they eat the plastic bag because they think it's jellyfish. That causes them to starvation, and many of them die in that situation. For better, we must use paper bags instead of plastic bags. Use it wisely and keep it after use. Thank you.
How many of you use plastic cards? Me more. We all use it. We all know that plastic bags are more durable than the paper bags. But paper bags are easily torn apart when it's wet, right? So why do we have to use paper bags if we're too thick for groceries, right? Nowadays we all use paper bags, but we don't need to Do you know the differences about plastic bags and paper bags?
Plastic bags are made of plastic.
Yes, right. But plastic bags can be recycled. Do you know that the paper bags can be easily decomposed? So we need to cut trees for making more. Do you know cutting trees? Cutting trees is environmental friendly? Do you think? No. But why do we need to cut trees to make paper bags than to recycle plastic bags? The benefits of plastic bags and paper bags. Plastic bags has a higher quality aspect than the paper bags, and it lessens the space of our groceries. And we don't need to use paper bags. If we're willing to recycle plastic bags, then recycle it and discipline ourselves, practice ourselves to not